Okay, in the quest to get our protein grams in, we all have been doing a ton of protein smoothies, which I truly love. And in fact, you can find a ton of protein smoothie recipes right here in this video. However, today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to make a protein bowl. I don't know if you guys have done this or not. It's not something that I go to, but look, I've got 2 kids, I've got a family, you may as well, and we're always trying to be a little creative in the kitchen. So here's what we're going to do with the protein bowl. We are going to take our protein powder. You can take your favorite. This one has about 20 grams per scoop, and I'm simply going to add it in to my bowl while I also go ahead and soak a little bit of these oats. I'm going to take some almond milk, pour it directly into this bowl, and go ahead and soak my oats in here and let it sit. Ideally, you let it sit for about 30-40 minutes. If you don't have time in the morning, I get it. Maybe do this the night before so it's ready to go. And then you can stir this up. And what this does, it makes the oats a little bit more creamy, right? Instead of like dry oats kind of being dumped into a bowl here. So we're gonna let our oats sit for just a second. We've got our protein powder in. Now let's say you wanted more protein than 20 grams. You can add a second scoop in. But I've also got some Greek yogurt out here. And remember, Greek yogurt is a great source of protein. You get about 12 to 15 grams of protein depending on the amount. This amount here is about 15 grams. We're gonna mix the two together. So in this concoction right off the bat, I have 35 grams of protein. All right, so as I'm mixing up this, now just remember, by the way, if you're picking out a Greek yogurt, watch the sugar content, right? So go for a plain, ideally a plain yogurt which doesn't have sugar, because we're about to add in some sweetener. You can add in some cacao nibs, about a tablespoon or so. You could add in chocolate chips, but that will make your total sugar content go up. Let's go ahead and add in about a half a banana. Again, depends on how many people you are feeding or serving, but we're gonna add in about half of this. And it actually looks delicious, guys, and it's super easy to eat. You could actually carry it with you to work too. In fact, this could be a lunch. It doesn't have to be a breakfast. Another fun add-in into this bowl would be peanut butter or almond butter. All right, so I'm mixing all of this together. I've got the banana, I've got my protein powder, the yogurt, the cacao nibs. It's a little dry. It's a little hard to mix, honestly, but remember, I've got the almond milk with the oats soaking over here. I'm gonna go ahead and add that in as well. Now with the oats, I'm getting some fiber. And fiber is really important too for keeping us full, for helping metabolize hormones. It's for cholesterol. We've got so many different reasons for trying to get fiber in. And this already looks really yummy, honestly. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we're mixing it up here. And you can just have fun with it. You can add berries. You can add, so many other little things to it, really depending on how you want to customize it for you. And you can even mix up a big batch and store it in the refrigerator and then carry it, to work the next day, or if you're looking for a nighttime snack and you're trying to get those protein grams up, this would be a good one. Just a few spoons of this might satisfy your hunger and your sugar cravings and help you to get through the night without eating a lot of junk. So a little creative spin on the traditional protein smoothie. This is now a protein bowl. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Maybe send me your customized recipes, and that way we can all share, learn, and grow. All right, I post new videos every week. Don't forget to like and subscribe.